Example, you can say you are not permitted to drive without license. Ntabwo wemerewe gutwara nta ruhushya. This gate. It is prohibited to enter through this gate. Ntibyemewe kwinjira unyuze kuri uyu muryango. Hi everyone and welcome to today's lesson. This is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn 3 languages. In your daily conversation, you will need to express, to tell your friends that there are something that is not allowed, that is prohibited, that is not allowed to do. So today's lesson is about phrases about prohibition. We are going to learn different phrases we use to express that, to show that something is not allowed. It is very important in our daily conversation. Nshuti mukunzi wacu wa Language Booster TV, iyi ni channel ikwigisha Icyongereza n'Ikinyarwanda ndetse n'Igiswahili. Mu isomo ry'uno munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe uburyo wagaragaza ko ikintu kitemewe, ikintu kibujijwe, ikintu kigize gute kitemewe, kibujijwe mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza. Wabivuga gute? Tugiye kurebera hamwe imvugo zitandukanye zerekana ko ikintu kigize gute kitemewe. So as you see on your screen, nkuko bireba kuri screen yawe, izi ni zimwe mu mvugo dukunze gukoresha, ni imvugo uzakenera mu buzima bwawe bwa buri munsi, mu biganiro ugirana na bagenzi bawe, ushaka kubereka ko icyo kintu kigize gute kitemewe cyangwa se kigize gute kibujijwe. It is allowed, it is not allowed to, it is prohibited to, and other more phrases. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to use these phrases. You will be able to use these phrases about prohibition. I will give you examples, and you will learn examples and try to make your own. Please try to use this expressions in your daily life activities, in your daily life expressions, in your daily life discussion and conversations you have with your friends. Gerageze izi mvugo uri bwigira hangaha uzazishyire mu bikorwa, uzajya uzikoresha igihe uri kuganira na bagenzi bawe ubereka ko ibintu bize gute bitemewe. Alright, I am a teacher Eric Bunani, and this is Language Booster TV. As I told you, the YouTube channel helps you to learn 3 languages. Ndi mwalimu wanyu Eric Bunani. Iyo ni channel yitwa Language Booster TV, kwigisha Icyongereza, Ikinyarwanda ndetse n'Igiswahili nkuko bigeze gute, nkuko bisanzwe. That's true. Right, I cannot forget to tell you that if it is your first time, please subscribe to get more learning lessons. Kora subscribe kugira ngo ujye ubona amasomo atandukanye akwigisha Icyongereza, Ikinyarwanda ndetse n'Igiswahili. Right. Remember to click on bell icon. Wibuke gukanda ku kazogera, ukamenyetso k'akazogera hirya ya subscribe. Click on all notifications so that you can get notified for everything new on this channel, kugira ngo ubashe guhabwa message ku kintu gishya cyose gishyizwe kuri no channel. Amasomo, post, ibizamini n'amatest byose binyujijwe hano, uhita uhabwa message yuko byageze kuri channel, ugahita ubireba nawe ukiga tukigana. Right, you can share this video to your friends if you found it is useful. You can also like our video to show that you are interested in what we do. Write in the comment about this video, or you can suggest the lesson. Ukandika muri comment ukatwereka ko iyi video wayikunze, ukaba wayisangiza saba iri somo ifuza ko twakwigisha. Ishaka kuba ari imvugo, maybe there are expressions you want to know, ishaka kuba ari imvugo ushaka gusobanukirwa. Alright, we can help you as soon as possible to receive your comment. Tushakufashe tukimara kubona comments yawe. Alright, without taking too much time, let us dive in the lesson. Let us drive in the lesson. The program, as usual, it is Learn English Kinyarwanda, Learn English and Kinyarwanda fast. So this is English Kinyarwanda phrases about prohibition. Alright. Let us dive in the lesson and say, dear English learner, dear Kinyarwanda learner, because this video is here to help both learners. In this lesson, we are going to learn different phrases about things that are prohibited or just not allowed. Learn these phrases and apply them in your daily conversations. I tell you that we learn languages through communication. Please, if we learn an expression, apply it in your daily conversation. Don't just memorize don't just memorize or just note down your notebook, but please apply what we learned. The first expression is you are not permitted to. You are not permitted to. When you say you are not permitted to, this expression uses to show that something is not allowed. There is no permission to do that something. So you are not permitted to. You will use this expression to tell your colleague that something that he or she is not allowed to do something. You complete the activity or the verb containing the activity someone is not allowed to do. Vango, you are not permitted. Tuzayikoresha tukagaragaza mukubwira mugenzi wacu ko atemerewe gukora iki kintu, ukuzaho icyo agomba atemerewe gukora. For example, you can say you are not permitted to drive without license. Ntabwo wemerewe gutwara nta ruhushya. You are not permitted without driving license. You are not permitted to drive without driving license. Ntabwo wemerewe gutwara ikinyabiziga nta ruhushya rwo kugitwara. You are not permitted to take my phone. Ntabwo wemerewe gufata telefoni yanjye. You are not permitted. Then you complete with the infinitive verb. Ugomba kuzuzaho verb cyangwa se inshinga ivuga igikorwa uwo muntu uri kumubuza kuba yakora atemerewe. Alright. Another example, you are not permitted to go out of school. Yes, wemerewe gusohoka ikigo. Wemerewe gusohoka ikigo. The second expression is it is forbidden to. It is forbidden to means it is not allowed to, it is prohibited to. This expression has the same meaning. So it means that there is no permission to do something. So it is forbidden to. It is forbidden to come in with your phone. For example, in examination room, it is forbidden to come with phone. To come in with phone. Mu cyumba cy'ikizamini birabujijwe kwinjirana telefone. It is forbidden to come in with phone. Birabujijwe kwinjirana telefone. Birabujijwe kwinjirana telefoni yawe. It is forbidden to smoke here. Ahangaha birabujijwe kuhanywera itabi. So this phrase you may encounter them at the petroleum station. Nibanga imvugo cyangwa se kigateruro ushaka kuzagasanga ahantu muri public, ahantu hakunze gukurirwa n'abantu benshi, like a stadium, like ahantu hari hazard, hari hateza ingorane, haramutse wanyweye itabi, like at a petroleum station, n'ahantu hacuruzwa ikomoka kuri petrol, kuri station za petrol, ahantu uzasanga hashobora kuba handitse ati it is forbidden to smoke here. Ntibyemerewe kunywera itabi hano, cyangwa se birabujijwe kunywera itabi hano. So the second expression is you are not permitted to. You are not permitted to. You are not permitted to. It is similar to say you are not allowed to. You are not allowed. You are not allowed to. You are not allowed to. So I have repeated this. So you are not permitted to go out. Wemerewe kujya hanze. You are not permitted to live in this room. So the fourth expression is it is prohibited to. Then after to, you complete with the infinitive verb talking about that activity that is not allowed. Nubanga nyuma ya to ugomba gushyiraho verb ivuga igikorwa utemerewe. You are not prohibited. You are prohibited to. You are prohibited to. Cyangwa se it is prohibited to enter through this gate. It is prohibited to enter through this gate. Ntibyemewe kwinjira unyuze kuri uyu muryango. Ntibyemewe kwinjira unyuze kuri uyu muryango. It is prohibited to park here. Maybe you have a car. When you read this notice which says it is prohibited to park here, you have to know that there's no permission to park there. Ugomba kumenya ko niba ufite ikinyabiziga, ufite imodoka, ufite ikindi kinyabiziga, ukabona ahantu handitse ngo it is prohibited to park here, uzamenye ko bakubwiye ngo ntabwo byemerewe guparika aho hantu. You get me? Ntibyemewe guparika hano. Alright. So the next expression is you must not. You must not. This also expresses prohibition. Iyi nayo igaragaza ko ikintu kitemewe. Iyi mvugo nayo igaragaza ikintu ko kitemewe. Not ikurikirwa na verb, infinitive verb without the to, igaragaza yuko iki gikorwa kigize gute kitemewe. You must not come late. You must not come late. Ntugomba gukererwa. Ntukerererwe. Ntugomba gukererwa. You must not come late. Sibyo? Ntuzukerererwa. You must not drive too fast. Ntutware cyane. Ntugomba gutwara wihuta cyane. Uramenye ntutware wihuta cyane. Or just you must not drive too fast. Alright. Dear friends, how is the lesson? Tuti yanjye isomo rimeze rite? Tell me. Is it interesting? Is it engaging? Oh, tell me. Or is it boring? If it is boring, tell me. If it is interesting, tell me. Do you get anything from this video? Do you get anything from this lesson? Hari ikintu ukura mwiri somo se? You can tell me in the comment. Try to use this expression in your own sentences. Write sentences using one of these expressions, right? Excuse me. The next expression is you can't. You can't. This shows you that it is also prohibition. It is not allowed. Iyi mvugo nayo igaragaza ko icyo kintu kitemewe. Then you complete with activity or the verb expressing that activity that is not allowed. Ugomba kuzuzaho iki inshinga igaragaza igikorwa kitemewe koko. You can't leave me alone. You can't leave me alone. Ntushobora kunsiga jyenyine rwose. You can't leave me alone. You can't leave me alone. Ntushobora kunsiga jyenyine. It means that you are not allowed to leave me alone. Ntiwemerewe kunsiga jyenyine. You can't enter for free. Maybe you are going to watch a football match in the stadium, and when you arrive at the gate man says you can't enter for free. Niba ugiye kureba umupira kuri stade, wagera kuri gate mukumirizi akakubwira ko cyangwa se ushinzwe kwinjiza akubwira ko udashobora kwinjira utishyuye. Azakubwira ngo you can't enter for free. Ntushobora kwinjira utishyuye cyangwa se ntushobora kwinjira kuki ku buntu. So the next expression is you are not allowed. You are not allowed. Ntiwemerewe kuzaho icyo kintu utemerewe gukora. Alright. You are not allowed to smoke in this area. You are not allowed to smoke in this area. Ntiwemerewe kunywera itabi hano. You are not allowed to smoke in this area. You are not allowed to smoke in this area. Ntiwemerewe kunywera itabi hano. You are not allowed to borrow such amount. Maybe you are applying for the loan in the bank. During your application process, you get the message saying you are not allowed to borrow such amount. It means that you are not permitted. You have no permission to borrow such amount. Warengeje amafaranga wemerewe kuguza. Mu magambo ntiwemerewe kuguza amafaranga angana uko. Alright. So the last expression about prohibition in imvugo dukunze gukoresha tugaragaza ko ikintu kitemewe, it is don't. Then complete with the verb. Don't run fast. Wikwihuta. Don't come late. Ntuzukererewe. Don't smoke here. Ntunywere hano itabi. Alright. These were 8 expressions we use to show that something is prohibited. It is not allowed. Dear English Kinyarwanda learners, I have seen that through the votes, many voted that they need to learn Kinyarwanda English expressions, Kinyarwanda English phrases. So try to apply these phrases. Gerageza ushyira mu bikorwa izi mvugo twigiye ahangaha in your conversations. in your daily conversations. Try to apply, try to use these phrases when you need to express prohibition, something that is not allowed. Please, you have to notice that we learn languages through communication. You cannot learn any language without using it in its real context. Ntushobora kwiga Icyongereza n'urundi rurimi rwo rwose utarukoresheje mu buzima bwawe bwa buri munsi. Akumenye gakoresha. You cannot memorize. Ntushobora kufata mu mutwe the list of vocabularies, list of verbs, list of grammar rules. Ntushobora gufata mu mutwe amagambo n'ubusobanuro bwayo, amategeko y'Icyongereza mvugo mu rurimi runaka. Just you have to apply, you have to learn phrases, useful phrases and meaningful ones, then use them in your context. Gerageza uzikoreshe izo mvugo, izo nteruro ngufi wize mu bikorwa, mu biganiro ugira na bagenzi bawe. When you apply this, when you just apply these advices, you will attain English proficiency. Nuwumviriza inama mba nkugira, uzagera ku rwego rwo hejuru mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza. Alright, so I am teacher Eric Bunani. This is an English Booster TV YouTube channel which helps you to learn English, Kinyarwanda and Kiswahili. Ndi mwarimu wa Eric Bunani, unumero wa YouTube witwa Language Booster TV, ukwigisha Icyongereza, Ikinyarwanda ndetse n'Igiswahili. So let us meet next time in other expressions that are important in our daily life. I'm here to help you to learn English, Kinyarwanda and Kiswahili. See you again. Let us meet next time. Reka tuzasubira gutaha tureba izindi mvugo dukenera mu buzima bwacu bwa buri munsi. Bye bye. Bye.